Good morning. So I've been asked to share some of the things I do behind the scenes with the fish. So today I'm going to change a filter. I'm going to introduce some new fish, yay, finally, to the long tank. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy. I don't know. I think it's kind of gross, but you know, you might like it. Okay, so this is how to take care of a major tank. So one that you have a heater and a filter so that you can keep your tropical fishes alive. That's what's recommended. Hold on, I'm just gonna dump some water. This was just from the DNT microscope work that they did, because I gave them some of the aquarium plants to take a look at, plant cells under the microscope. So I brought over the garbage can so that it's a little less messy. So, okay, so this is the filter. And so the water goes through and all the little poopies get stuck in here. Ew, look how brown and gross that is. So, oh, there's some plant material stuck in there. So someone was at work over the weekend. So this goes right into the garbage. And I'll do that. I don't know if you can see it. Whoosh. All right, so this goes in the garbage. And hopefully my classroom won't smell of fish all day. But I keep the plastic insert. So this has activated charcoal in it, and that keeps down some of the smelly gases, so my room doesn't always smell like dead fish, although I don't have dead fish, but you know, or fish poopies. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this a little bit just to get whatever poopy residues on there. Yeah, I gotta do the dishes. I almost said laundry. That'd be awesome. I did laundry this weekend. So here's my drawer of supplies, and in here I have lots of coupons because they come with all the filters. So these are the filters. So there's some cotton parts and the silver part, and the silver part has the activated charcoal in it. So let's see if you'll stay. There we go. Ta-da! Now I'm a hand model. Usually a scissors better than my hands. And so normally in the morning I play some cool music, get ready for the day. So this has the carbon in it. This is just the cotton thingy, filter thingy. I learned that word from you guys. The thingy and the thingy. I need that thingy over there. Okay. All right. So this goes back in my plastic storage bin. And generally I try to change them about once a month. And that's kind of gross. All right. So let's open. So I put the little plastic skeleton inside the cotton. For a second. It's kind of like putting on a sock or stockings. Alright, and then you pour the activated carbon in there. It's little black pellets. So I use this a lot in organic chemistry lab in college. To get rid of impurities. So activated carbon is good at soaking up nasty bits that you don't want in the water. Okay, package. All right, and now I'm gonna rinse this until the water runs clear. It'll be a little smoky, a little gray for a little bit. Let's see if I can show you that. Really see it too much, but anyhow, once it's clean I just pop it into the filter, and next month I'll change it again. So I try to do it on the first of every month, that way I don't forget. And obviously it was a little extra dirty this month because I kept putting off shooting this video, and that's that. So this one was for Hector, he had asked. So here's my nice clean filter going into the housing. And so the water will run through there. There's a pump, And the filter catches all the solids and gases and nasty bits we don't want in there. And that's that. So that's how their poopies get kind of clean. I mean, there's some that go into the rocks. And the algae eaters and bottom feeders will eat some of that, but not all of it. So whatever is cruddy in the water, and you can see some cruddy things in the water, it will go through the filter and hopefully get stuck there. All right, this was a really long video. My next one will be, I'm going to be putting the bags of new fish into the water, and they'll float around for half an hour. And then I'll add some of this water into the bag, wait another half hour, and then I'll scoop them out of the bag and put them into the tank. That way, their poopy water they've been in for 24 hours won't be going into the tank. And I can see that our snails have been having a party without any fish in there. I see all the little eggs on the glass, so we're gonna have tons of snails, yay! So maybe some of the fish will eat them too. Okay, have a good one. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, ask me in person, shoot me a video. I need some Spanish lessons, yo. All right, talk to you soon. Bye!